Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in Idaho Housing Mortgage account online. Idaho Housing and Finance Association is a state-affiliated organization in Idaho, USA that provides various housing-related services, including mortgage lending programs. In order to log into your Idaho Housing Mortgage account online, the first thing you can do is to open a web browser. Once you do that, go to the search box and type in idahohousing.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Idaho Housing and Finance, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right and click on Home Loan Serve option. Now you will end up in the login or the sign-in interface. Here, you will need to sign in using your username followed by your account's password. Type in your username and your password associated with your account. If you don't remember your email address or your username or your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Username or Forgot Your Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in your credential, click on Login in order to sign in to your Idaho Housing Mortgage account online. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.